Hello students, today I am going to discuss our question number 14 from R.S. Agarwal book, exercise 7b. The topic is linear equation word problems. So question is here given, find 3 consecutive positive even integers whose sum is 90. So you know that the natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. These are the all natural numbers. Now in this question it is given that find 3 consecutive positive even integer. You have to understand that what is even integers. Even means that the number which can be easily or exactly divisible by 2. So here the consecutive even numbers are, first number is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. These are the consecutive one after one, only even integer. Your question is even integer, then consecutive even integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So here the first even integer plus second even integer plus third even integer equal to 90. All must be consecutive, means one after another, another after another. So, but here you don't know who are the numbers, who are the consecutive even numbers. You have to find by forming a linear equation. So how you will write? You know that I am giving one example that you can say that 22 is the even number. So what is the next even number? It is 24. Next even number 26, 28. So I can write here 22 is the first even number. Then for the second even number I can write 22 plus 2, 22 plus 4, 22 plus 6. Here you will notice that first even number this is fixed, 22, 22, 22, 22. All the time 22 is fixed. But for the first time you are taking as 22, then second time it will be 22 plus 2. Means even number you are adding here. And the next one you will add in 4. Again even number. Again even number. For the even number you have to add with a fixed number or fixed variable, and the even numbers you have to add. So we can write as 22 as x. Then so it is even. For the even number always you will write as start with 2x. So first number must be 2x. Second even number must be 2x plus, here it is 2. We have taken 22 is the first even number, so it is 2x. Second even number equal to 22 plus 2 means 2x plus 2. Next equal to 2x plus 4 and next equal to 2x plus 6 and so on. That means for forming the linear equation you have to take 2x first, then 2x plus 2, even number, even number, even number you have to continuously add. Consecutive even numbers you have to add. Now come to the question. Find 3 consecutive positive even integers whose sum is 90. So we will start solving the sum. The solution is, let first you have to write the statement. Let the first even integer equal to, we have taken here 2x. So always even, for the even number, any number when multiply with 2 it becomes an even number. So 2x, any number, x is any number, when multiply with 2 it becomes the even number. तो even number, आपको even number अगर लिखना है तो पहला ही start कीजिए 2x से. Next second even number, for the second even number or for second even integer you can write as 2x plus 2. आपको even number लेना है यहाँ पर. For the third, यहाँ तीन दिया गया, 3 consecutive number. So for the third even integer it will be 2x plus 4. तो पहला है 2x, second है 2x plus 2, third है 2x plus 4. As it is an even number in the question, so you are taking even number here. Understood? So you know that first the even number plus second even number plus third even number equal to 90. The first one you have taken as 2x. So write here 2x plus 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 4 equal to, what is their sum? Their sum is given, you can write here, their sum equal to how much degree? How much? 90. So 2x plus 2x plus 2, this is the first even number, this is the second even number, this is the third even number. Their sum equal to 90. Now you have to write all the variables together. So सबसे पहले लिखेंगे 2x, फिर से 2x, then again 2x. All these I have associated all the variables. Now you have to associate all the constant. Who are the constant? 2 plus 4. Right here 2 plus 4 equal to 90. Now 2x plus 2x plus 2x. What is the answer? 6x plus this is 6 equal to 90. Now you have to find out x. तो आपकी x के पास जो जो नंबर है सबको उस तरफ भेजना है. तो सबसे पहले x का बगल वाले जो नंबर है, ये 6 को नहीं देखना है, इसको देखना है, इसको पहले उस तरफ भेजेंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा 6x इक्वल टू 90 माइनस 6. तो 6x इक्वल टू हो गया कितना? 90 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 6 हो गया 4, ये हो गया 84. तो x हो जाएगा 84 बाई 6. ये मल्टीप्लाई है, इधर आने से बाई हो गया, डिवाइड हो गया. तो 6 1 जा 6, 2 लेफ्ट, 2 4 24, 6 4 जा 24. Therefore you got the value of x equal to 14. हमको हमारी x का वैल्यू आ गया 14. अभी आपको आंसर पूरी नहीं आया है, आपको वो 3 अननोन नंबर है उसको फाइंड करना है. फिर से आप चले जाइए स्टेटमेंट में, तो आपको फिर से लिखना है therefore. ये आपका फाइनल कंक्लूजन है, ये आपका फाइनल आंसर है. आपको लिखना है कि therefore the first even integer, I am writing the with the short integer equal to क्या दिया गया है? 2x. You have taken 2x. So 2 into put the value of x 14. 14 2 is 28. Now the second even integer equal to 2x. आपने क्या लिया है? 2x plus 2. So right here 2x plus 2. It is equal to 2 into 14. 2x 2 into 14. 2 into x means 2 into 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2. So 14 2 is 28 plus 2 equal to 30. फिर आपने लिया है थर्ड नंबर, तो थर्ड इवन इंटीजर इक्वल टू 2x plus 4. तो 2 into 14 plus 4. सो हो जाएगा कितना? 28 plus 4 equal to 32. तो देखिए आपका लगातार 2-3 consecutive even numbers से वो आ गए. So therefore the three numbers are 28 plus 30 plus 32. देखिए ये लगातार 28 के बाद कौन आता है? 30 के बाद कौन आएगा? 32. ये तीनों को ऐड करके देखिए आपका आंसर सही. ये जो क्वेश्चन में है 90, ये जो क्वेश्चन में 90 है, ये लोगों का सम 90 आ रहा है कि नहीं? तो 8 plus 2, 8 plus 0 plus 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 10 हो गया. 8 plus 2 10, 1 कैरी, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3, तो यू विल राइट 90. देखिए इसका मतलब आपका आंसर सही है. ठीक है, तो कौन सा वो तीनों नंबर था, इवन नंबर था, जिसको ऐड करने से लाइन बाय लाइन तीनों नंबर, कॉन्सिक्यूटिव तीनों नंबर था, जो कि ऐड करने से 90 होता. तो आपका आंसर है 28, 30 एंड 32. इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट फॉर्म द इक्वेशन. ये हो गया आपका इक्वेशन फॉर्मिंग. यू कैन फॉर्म द इक्वेशन एंड सॉल्व द इक्वेशन एंड फाइंड द वैल्यूज. सिर्फ आपको इतना याद रखना है कि अगर इवन नंबर बोला जा रहा है तो आपको लिखना है 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4. इस तरीके से आपको पहले 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4 लेना है. हमेशा याद रखिएगा इवन बोला जाएगा मतलब पहला वाला 2x लेना है, सेकंड वाला 2x plus 2 लेना है, थर्ड वाला 2x plus 4 दिया है. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू.